NFT Champions, the Pokemon style player versus player 3 versus 3 play to earn NFT games. So, guys, in this video, today we are going to talk about what's going on in NFT Champions in 2022. Have they launched their marketplace? Where to buy the NFTs? Is the NFTs available? When they're going to launch the game? And everything which they have announced right now. So we will talk about those in this videos. So guys, welcome to Crypto Night, and let's dive into the NFT Champions. NFT Champions Ultimate Play to Earn. So this game is play to earn metaverse based games. Buy, train, and sell rare NFTs, win prize pools in online player versus player matches and tournaments, earn passive rewards by holding champ land and NFTs. So guys, if you, hold the champ token, they have champ is the token. Land, they will also sell land in the metaverse and the NFTs. When you hold these, you will earn the passive rewards. This is one of the functionality of their game, upcoming functionality. Okay. Tokenomics, no fees. Champ is required to earn passive rewards. Again, you need the currency, on-game currency, and the token to, receive the passive rewards. Champ is currently available on QuickSwap and Gate.io. So you can buy or trade this Champ token on the Gate.io and QuickSwap. Earlier, I think I got it on the QuickSwap because that time it wasn't listed on the Gate.io, or I wasn't aware of that. I think it was like 2 months back, and I have little bit of it. And this is on Matic network, guys. The Matic, this all the game and this exchange is based on the Matic network. All right. So for the quick details of the games, I think we should jump on the white paper of the NFT Champions game. All right, we on the white paper. So key mechanics. Let me put my face aside somewhere. There. All right. Play to earn system. Win tournament and online player versus player matches for cash rewards. Beat players in online raid events and get exotic drops. Okay, so when you beat the players on the raids, there are special kind of events. I don't know, maybe, and you will earn the cash rewards. Plus, you will also get the exotic drops. So many things you can win in the game. Buy and hold land or NFTs to get passive rewards also. We have talked about it earlier in this video. So buy and hold land or NFTs to get a land reward. Also, with those, you should also have the champ token to earn the rewards. Excuse me, guys. So earn the passive rewards. Train and evolve NFTs to increase the resale value. So NFTs means these characters, these Pokemon style of animals. When you train and evolve them, you can increase their value. And this is the interesting, a good point. Buy and trade rare NFTs. So again, you can buy and trade those your champions, your rare NFTs. Trading system to ensure streamlined trading, the game will have a very low trading fees. The NFT online marketplace will be available on the both web and mobile devices. In-game tokens are required to participate in marketplace trading process, that is the champ token. Every NFT sale goes towards holding rewards. Each champion has a max mint limit that will automatically cause the NFT to become dead stock. After champion becomes dead stock, it will only be available for purchase by community online traders via the NFT marketplace. So I think this is a nice functionality they have added. So gameplay loop. Buy NFTs from the online marketplace or community traders. Level up your NFTs by getting in battles with CPUs or online players. All right. By CPUs, I think they mean player versus environment. We are playing against the computer or online players. Yeah. Go to training gym and upgrade your team's battle stats. So you can also go to training gyms. You can train your champions, and you can evolve their stats. Train on FT to their current max level. So NFT means your champion. These animals, you can train them and achieve them to their max level. Visit DNA lab and do some functionality. Level up your NFT game and evolve to next stage. Repeat the process until the fighters reach final evolution. All right, so these are the basic functionalities. I am not gonna read all of these. Online campaign, discover hidden side quest as your journey continues. The pool available quest variations. So guys, there will be also be the side quests other than the main. I mean, main quest and main fights. And I think it's a good thing. It's a good opportunity to who have a good amount of time to invest in the game and I mean improve their players, their champs, their NFTs by playing these side quests. And I think I assume that by playing these side quests, they will earn more rewards, which will be better for their gameplay players. I think that fight alongside your friends or make new ones. NFT Champions allows cooperative gameplay with players from all around the world. Okay. So NFT marketplace. While there is no mint limit per wallet address for eggs, so guys, there's no minting limit. They're saying champion eggs will be extremely scarce. All eggs are categorized under different tiers based on the types of rarity they can hatch. The lowest tier will statistically give you more NFTs and will be the cheapest way to obtain the champions. So I mean, they are talking about the rarity here. Lowest tier will statistically give you more NFTs and will be cheapest way to obtain. So I think the first thing to buy from the marketplace the egg, and randomly the egg will have the rarity randomly. They also have the diagram on their Twitter. Let me take you to there so that you can understand. So yeah. So they have announced their marketplace launch on the Twitter, but they were saying that the launch is gonna happen on January 1st, but right now it's delayed. There's no marketplace live right now. So here's the functionality or hatch rate of the egg. So when you will purchase the egg from the marketplace, all eggs will cost the same. That will be 45 Matic. So 44% chance that you will get the common champion, 33% for the uncommon, 17% chance that you will get the rare, 5% chance to get the exotic, and 1% chance that you will get the legendary character. So only 1% chance to get a legendary character, but the rates are same. So it will be totally random, and that's interesting. Let's get back to the white paper. In order to purchase NFTs, you will need to send funds to your marketplace wallet. MetaMask will not be needed. So MetaMask will not be needed. You just have to send the funds to the marketplace wallet. And I don't have any details of their marketplace wallet because it's not live. I've already made the account, but it's not live. So maybe they only accept the crypto transfer, or maybe they also accept the cash transfers. Who knows? Let's see. The marketplace will accessible to Windows, Mac, and mobile devices users at the same time. So marketplace will be available on all the devices. They're saying Windows, Mac, and mobile devices. I think that will give them a good coverage. That's good. New champions will be released every week. Following our social media channels and bookmark the website to stay up to date. So they are saying that they will be launching their new champions, means new game characters, those Pokemon animals. They will launch, they will release new champs every week. So that's also interesting. They are continuously making the availability of their characters good. So it's tokenomics. I'm not going to go through it. Teams and partners. So yeah. So this is the passive rewards table of their, passive reward system. For example, this one, time period 30 days, number of champ required means number of champ tokens, 10,400 champ tokens required. Number of champions required, champions mean the characters of game, 2. So when you, stake these, hold these, they're not talking about the staking. These one you will get from only holding. So 30 days, when you holding 10,400 tokens and 2 champions, you will get the 2 gift box rewards every month. You will get airdrop 2 gift boxes every month in your account or something. And going further, this 120 days, 150,000 champ tokens, 12 heroes, you will get a 1 legendary drop per month. So yeah, more you hold, the more exotic and legendary drop you will get. All right, nice. So they are talking about their milestone. This is their milestones, that mission, NFT Champions, phase 1, website launch, community marketing, early partnership, phase 2, NFT Champions IDO, already happened way before, coin market cap listing, extensive marketing campaign, phase 3, release NFT and on version marketplace. That's haven't happened yet. This is yet have to happen. This is, I think, phase 3 haven't done yet. It's going to be happen. Release NFTs on the various marketplaces, marketing campaign, weekly dev blogs. Phase 4, CX listing, influencer awareness, partnership, early access release, viral marketing. So I think lots of things are still have to come, and they have long-term plans. Let's see. So yeah, thank you. And they are just talking about the community and all. So let's quickly move to their Twitter account to get the latest going. Sorry, excuse me. So let's quickly go through the Twitter to see the announcements, what we can know. So this is the gameplay trailer they have launched, and let me show you the game trailer quickly, because that's really needed to know what's the gameplay, how the gameplay going to look. So here we go. So it's looking, very much similar to the Pokemon, and it has the same vibe. I like it. I always like, player versus player RPG style games, turn-based games, and yeah, nice. So basically, I think this is very much like Pokemon. You have to train your characters, upgrade them, find, rare ones, buy rare ones, sell rare ones, upgrade them, evolve them, fight them with other players, and yeah, this is interesting. However, let me take back to Twitter. They haven't going as planned. I mean, by plan, I'm saying that they are delaying their launch, because they have planned for the launch of the marketplace. From marketplace, you can buy the egg, 45 Matic. So yeah, so the marketplace was planned to launch on January 1st, 10 p.m. CST, but I spoke to the community members on the Telegram, but they told that it's delayed and we will announce when it will launch, but it's still not launched. And a lot of people going bit upset with that. They're not liking. For example, let me show this post. So they are posting this on. I think they are just post this 20 hours ago. Each NFT champions FAQ. Each NFT is randomly generated stats, move sets, and other characters are weighted to increase matchups with NFTs from the same species. So guys, people are saying just and upset. They're saying why are you posting the updates, other further updates when you haven't launched the marketplace yet. You should be on time, but if you're not on time, but then why are you posting the further updates, further plans about the egg functionality and all? You talk about the marketplace launch. If you're delaying it, you should tell the users. For example, this I really don't understand all the FUD. These must be new people to the space. It's okay for the project not to get targets on time. It's better to do things correct rather than rush them. So in the matter, fundamentally, nothing has changed. People's selling now will be what? Huh? I think it's the lack of communication on their side that is making people frustrated. They must have been aware that they were not going to be able to meet the announced launch date, but waiting till last minute. So people are just saying that they should have, I mean, they should not rush into things. They should play it, smart by patience, and they should let us know that what's really going on. If they are not going to meet their plans on time, they just, not rush into other things. They should tell and they should focus on completing that, plan. And by plan right now, they should really focus right now to launch the marketplace because everyone is waiting for that. And if they haven't launched their marketplace on time, many fans may turn the back. They will launch the game in the Q1, Q1 in the 2022, and they will launch the early access of the game. I think they have announced it somewhere, but I have read it. So yeah. But for right now, for the January starting, their plan was to launch their, I mean, marketplace where where fans can purchase the eggs, and that egg will hatch in the champion. So I think they will quickly launch their marketplace so that whoever wants to purchase the egg and participate in the gaming metaverse, they can purchase it and they can get the early access in the game as quickly as possible. And that's it. So guys, if you like this video and if you like these kind of content, please smash the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. I regularly post the videos about the metaverse gaming and metaverse related projects which may interest you and which may be a good thing to go to pursue. All right, thank you very much, and bye bye.